Hello my friends and welcome to puzzle 30. I failed two previous puzzles, 28 and 29. And though I think I come up with the idea how to do 28, I'm not gonna do it because I don't want to mess up my, how to say it, sequence or synchronity of the videos, because every episode is a next puzzle. So this is episode 30 and puzzle is 30. If I do now the puzzle 28, it's always gonna be one off. I want to keep it this synchronicity. So I will do puzzles I didn't solve in the end like an extra. Now just take next one and hope it will be better this time. That I will end my bad win streak. Or lose streak rather. So input contains integers between 1 and 20. Output them as Roman numerals. Ooh, this is hard. I remember there was something about Roman numerals in the manual. Okay, there is nothing really. So there is not real conversion possible. It's just I need to come up with a way how to do it myself. Huh. Very hard. I think we may fail this one as well. Kind of have no idea at the moment. Also, I'm not really sure what is this. It's like I, letter I? Yeah, probably. And that is just big V. And then is X. So I, V and X. Probably doesn't matter if it's big or small. I hope it doesn't matter. I don't even know how to do big. Ooh. Okay, first I could divide number by 10. I would know is there X in the front or no. Let's say I have 13. I divided it by 10, I got 1. So I put 1 X in the front. Let's say I store X here in the string. Then I need to deal with 3. Could divide it by 5 to see if there is any V. If it doesn't divide by 5, then I can go how many different ways there is to put it? 1, 2, 3. That is just 5, 6, 7. Okay, 9 is kind of not cool. Basically, even if I don't have 10 in the front, I may need to use X. I could just do multiple checks. I suppose it is possible. Like, like put a... There is no if statement, but if there would be, it would be like, if number 1 you write that If number 2, you write that. If 3, you write that. And I don't really need every possible way. Like if number divides by 3, I can do these, because 4 doesn't. Well, 2 also doesn't. Well, maybe not divide by 3, it would be if number is bigger than 3, you do something. If it's smaller than 3 or 3, we just put these. I feel it's gonna be quite complicated though. Okay, let's try. So, let's say, no. Take out first number. Now we need to divide it by 3. I mean by 10. To see if there is x in the front or no. The good thing is that if number does not divide by 10, there is never x in front. There may be x later, but at least it's not in the front. And 2x is only if it divides 2 times. Okay. So integer equals reg divides by 10. Oh, we got 20 straight away. So in this particular situation we got 2 in the integer. And that would mean I need to get 2 x's. How to do it? Could I just do, let's say, string equals x times integer? Could it work? Like I write as many x's as I got integers. There is only 2 possibilities. I mean 3. 0, 1 or 3. Or 0, 1 or 2. Maybe it would work. So I got 20. I get 2. Only plus operand can be used with string. Okay. Quite complex actually. I feel it will take me like more than an hour to solve this. Yeah, so basically the problem right now is how to convert this 2 or whatever number there is into number of x's. I wonder what a string equals character times integer. Could it work like that? Or you simply can't do anything else? Yeah, just pluses. Well, in that case I need to check it. It's only way. Check if integer is 0. If it's not add x and minus 1, and check again. Check integer equals 0. how it was. If true, no, jump if true. Next one. So if it's equals 0, I stop doing this shit about x's and jump further. If it's not equal, I do string equals string plus x, and integer equals integer minus 1. Jump to first. And first is simply the beginning of a check, but not division. So here, I'm gonna do like that. So let's check it. I input first number, divided it by 10, so we got 2. Then I check if it's 0. It's not 0, so we don't jump here. We put 1x in string, minus 1, and jump again. Check if it's 0. It's not 0. Add one more x, minus 1, jump at the beginning. Check if it's 0. It is 0. So we jump to next, which I write wrong, but it would jump anyway. Okay, this works. So we removed the first. After it jumps to next, it probably needs to check if there is anything left in the number. Because let's say this time it's 20, so there is no point and do anything else. Well, maybe I should. Yeah, I probably should have. When I did division, I should delete the first digit of a reg, and that would be reg equals register minus integer times 2. Can I do so many operations at once? I think I was doing that before. So how could I remove first? Let's say there would be not 20 but 19. I need to remove first. I can't just do minus 10 because it could be minus 20 required. Well, I could add minuses here, I suppose. Every time I remove one here, I also remove 10 from reg. Not the best way. I would prefer to remove it straight away, but it would work. It would be just not as efficient, not as beautiful. So every time you do integer minus 1, you also do reg equals reg minus 10. Let's check it now. So take 20 divided by 10. Check if integer 0, it's not. When I talk, I look here, so you look here as well. So we add one more x, remove 1, remove 10, check again. Nothing's. Oh, yeah, that's cool. It's empty, so jump to next. Okay, at this point we are empty, and we have two x's. So first check should probably be check if reg bigger than 0. Or check if reg less than 0. Or equal than 0. Equal 0. If reg is equal to 0, we output straight away. Yeah, that should work. Jump if... Oh, no, no, no. Check if... No, if reg equals 0. Jump if true, and and an end is simply output string. So at the moment the code should work for first 20. So it says 2, comes again, checks integer. Integer is 0, so there is no need to add more x's. What? Oh, I deleted somehow. Call. So checks, jumps to next, checks reg. Basically, if there would be something in reg, that means he need add more digits. Let's say there will be 6 left. He needs to again divide by 5 or things like that. Nothing in reg means number is done. Goes to end, outputs 2 x's. I hope it is right. If I will write out this code and turns out that numerical numbers have some special character, that it's not just x, that there is some character on keyboard that is not represented, because you know you have like 256 characters, different characters in one byte. There could be Roman numerals as well. I hope that's not the case. Anyway, okay, first part is done. So let's output and take the second number. So we put 7, divided by 10, nothing happens. Check if 0, there is 0, that means number didn't divide by 10, no need x's. Go on to next, check reg, there is still something, so we don't jump. And now we probably divide by 5, the next step. The only problem at the moment is that number could be something that requires x next one. You see what I mean? If you can't divide number by 5, let's say you can't divide 1, so you don't need v. You can divide 2 or 3 or 4. You can 5, 6, 7, 8, and it seems alright at the beginning. And then you got 9. You can divide it by 5, but you don't. That is requires a bit code, a bit more thinking. Like if number is 1 less than 10, you don't put V. Exactly same here. Yeah. So 9 needs a special treatment right now. Need to think up how to do it. Well, we could just check if number equals 9. Because that's the only time you... Well, okay, with 4 there will be something similar. Oh no, not really. You will have to just add V at the front. But that's the next bracket. Now we'll deal with V. I don't know if that makes sense, what I said, but you will see. So now we worry only about second number. Yeah, I think I will do 9, a special case. Probably that would be easier for me. Check if reg equals 9. Hmm. Let me think a bit. Okay. Jump if... What's the easiest, what's the more efficient way? Jump if it's true or jump if it's false? Does it even make a difference? I think it doesn't make difference. So jump if true. Next to. Next to. And what we do, we just add something to string. String equals... how did you add string? I already forgot. Oh, what I'm doing. There is no special thing. I just do plus. String equals string plus like that. Maybe I should do big X just in case. Let's check it. Does it work? Well, it's not gonna work if we're not gonna put semicolon. So we output 2x's first. That worked, I suppose. Then we take 9. Doesn't divide, so we go straight away to the next. Check if reg equals 9. It is equal 9 this time. What? Line 15. Check. Oh, there is no if. Oopsie. Always do that. Okay, we took 9. Check if it's 9. Oh, though I needed to delete previous numbers from string. So every time I start over, I actually need to remove string equals null. Is there such a command? Suppose it is. I hope it cannot output null. Oh shit. Didn't work. We put null x. So how you clear string? Equals 0. Damn it. How you clear string? Check, check. Switch null. It can't be that there is no way to clear string. Uh-oh. Oh, excuse me. Each line of the code must... Uh-oh. Okay, I don't really see how to clear string. Maybe I just write nothing and it will work. Like string equals and just leave empty space. I think it did work. Let's see. Should work first. Output 10. What happened? Oh, it's 2 times 10. I thought it didn't clear or something. Again. So 8 does not divide, and it's not 9. So we keep going. Okay, if number does not divide by 9, so check register equals 0, jump if true to the end, check register equals 9, jump to the if true to next 2, so you output that 9 and okay, that's alright. I could put string deletion at the end because I don't need to delete it at the beginning. It's already empty at the beginning. So now we do next thing. Divide by 5. It's same as the beginning now, but instead of divide by 10, I divide by 5. I probably can take everything from there. Only thing I don't need actually jump, because it can have 2 5s. So I don't need this jump. So divide by 5. Check if integer 0. If it is 0, we jump somewhere else. If it's not 0, yeah, this code is kind of hard. Okay, let me think again, because I messed up everything in my brain. So let's say we have 8 here. So integer equals 8 divided by 5. We get just 1, and it always 1. There are only 2 ways, it could be 1 or 0. So we check if integer 0. If it is 0, we jump to next 3. If it's not 0, we add to string add v. Integer equals -1. Reg equals -5. We probably don't need to remove integer here, like it doesn't matter. I could just say integer equals 0. Although I could say also nothing. So let's say in my situation when I said 8. There was 8 here, 1 here. Because there was 1, he writes V on the string, removes 5 from up, so we have 3 left. We probably need to first again, once again check if reg is 0, because number could end with 15. And if it's true, jump to the end again. If it's not end, now comes counting little things. We solved almost everything now. It's left only to what to do if there is a 1, 2, 3 or 4. That's the only possible outcomes. Actually, let's check the code for now. We should be able to get out first numbers. So I send x. Send x again. Now comes 8. Not gonna work with 8 though. Doesn't divide by 10, but it does divide by 5. So we got 1. Put v. Remove 5. Yeah, now we are 1v here. And we have a 3. I suppose I could just write check. 3 checks. Well, 4 checks actually. If it's 4, I need to write 1v. Yeah, I suppose. Whew. Check reg equals 4. If, no, jump if true. Wait a minute, what was this? Divide by 5. Check if integer 0. Wait a minute. I think I did wrong something here. There is a chance I could leave this. Check if reg equals 0. Jump if true to the end. If it's not equals to 0, then you check. check reg equals 4. Jump if true. Something's not right. I feel like I missed something. So if divides by 5, you put V. If it's 9, you put V1. Shouldn't I put this one? If 9. I think. Yeah, that was probably my mistake. Check if reg equals 9. Jump if true to the next two. Next to string equals string plus 9. If that would be 0, it would be just this. Yeah, that's correct. So that was a mistake. I dealt with that. If it's not 9, I check division by 5. If it didn't divide by 5, it's less than 5. If it did divide by 5, we add. Okay, we don't need this. That's a mistake. Keep going. Check if reg 0. If it's true, go to the end. If it's not true, check it, it's 4. If it's 4, we jump to, I don't know, next 4. Damn, these next become really hard to remember. Next 4. Equals string plus string plus this and jump to end. So if it's 4, it jumps to end and outputs. If it's not 4, that means we need to do the same thing we done here. One more check. Probably could be more efficient. Sadly. First. Again. Gonna call it again. Check if reg equals 0. If it's true, We go to end. If it's not true, we put string plus 1. Don't need this. Reg equals reg minus 1. And jump to again. Okay, I think it's done, but it's a bit long. So let's see. There is a high chance there will be problems. I'm not gonna. Okay. Next 3 not recognized. Line 24. Oh, wrong. Okay. Your solution works on some cases, but not all. So it should not work in this case, I suppose. So let's check. H should be V and 3I. Yeah, V, I. 3 should be just 3 I's. It is. 6 should be V and I. Did work. 16 X, V, I. Did work. So why they put that number that didn't work somewhere in the end? Should put it, in first. Otherwise, I go and it looks alright. X, V. It did work. 6, V, I. Did work. 8, V, I. Did work. 2, I. Maybe 2 not gonna work. I never tried these small numbers. Did work. 18, X, V, I. What the hell? X, V, I. Why they keep giving same numbers? Or I'm somehow resetting it. So 12 should be XII. Did work. 20, just XX. Did work. What the hell? What's wrong? Everything is alright. XI. Okay. 4. Okay, maybe this is not gonna work. Because those weird numbers when I need IV. So IV. Yeah, IV doesn't work for some reason. So second operand after string not recognized. Expected. 38. Oh, that's it? I have a plus here instead of equal. Yeah, that got me through almost everything just to. Damn it. Why they could not put 4 first? The one that doesn't work. I think it's done. But something crashed. uh, I think it crashed. Let's try again. So we passed. Alright. Code is surprisingly efficient. Even we have 4 lines more. 667. We still quite far from the best. But I am quite pleased. Okay guys. We finished disk 3. Code R? That's supposed to mean. Anyway, thanks for watching and I'll see you next episode.